Alright, we got this big knife because we don't just have a big knife today. We're also gonna have a new big box on Amazon. So, quick background story to this one. We currently have an old D-Link NAS, which is, I don't know, like some six plus years old. And for once, the device is really slow in backing up or just accessing files. And the other problem is the storage space is also getting kind of slow. And considering how old it is, we still have some desktop grade drives in it. So I ordered the new Synology DS218 Plus, I think it is. And I also ordered 2 Seagate Ironwolf Pro hard drives to put in. So yeah, let's just unbox it real quick and see what it looks like. Just want to cut stuff. Ah! What's in the box? So we got 2 small Amazon. Oh, it's a gift and a gift. So you have 2 drives. I guess those are the drives. What does it say? Seagate Ironwolf 2 terabytes. Another 2 terabytes. Yeah, we only chose 2 because there's not that much need for more space as of right now. I'm also gonna put them in a RAID system where I have 4 terabytes because we back up the NAS to another drive. Different story. So, and then we have this cute little Synology DS218 Plus 2-bay NAS. Compatible drive type, we have a 3.5 inch or 2.5 inch serial ATA bay. External ports, so this was quite important to me because you have an expansion port. So if you say you want to have another NAS or you just want to expand this one, instead of putting bigger drives in, you can just buy another unit that looks similar or also with more bays than 2 and just connect it to it. And when you're managing your DSM, the disk state management software, you then basically have one big drive, which I prefer just for managing purposes. And then I back up that one to another drive, of course, because you know, redundancy is key. Don't want to lose all your data. And yeah, let's keep unboxing it. So you have some random styrofoam. And you have the bay itself. You have the Euro plug power port, power cable. What else you got? You got plenty of small screws. All right, we'll get back to them, I guess. And you have a patch cable. We got the power brick. C2 backup free trial. All right, quick installation guide. That could be quite useful how to put in it right. So that's it. Always use the knife. That's nice. I never had one of those Synology ones, and it's surprisingly slim. Plastic, but it'll do. All right, the moment. Tearing off the plastic. Okay, so much for tearing off the plastic. Okay, tearing off the plastic, part 2. Ah. And there's my fingerprint on it, great. So anyway, yeah, you got your Synology NAS, you got the big old fan in the back, you have your expansion port I was talking about, you have your 1 gigabit Ethernet, you have 2 USB 3.0 ports, you have your 12 volt power in, You have a Kensington lock. On the front, I like the C button. It's the copy button. And the way you set it up is you can press the copy button and it just copies the content, like the whole content of your flash drive, your hard drive, your SD card or whatever, if you have the adapter, to a specific folder on your drive, which can be quite neat if you want to dump some video files or vacation pictures or whatnot on it. What you can also do is you have a USB 3.0 drive, you plug it in and you mash the C button and it backs up your NAS to the external drive, which is how I'm gonna set it up. Yeah, and of course you have the power button. Anyway, let's see how we get the drives in. It's another unboxing in an unboxing. Seagate Iron Wolf, new. I like new. Jesus Christ, it's another box in the box! How many more? Alright, that's the last one. Alright, be a bit more careful with this one. And another one. Box number 1. Envelope 1. Envelope 2. Hard drive wrapper. Hard drive. All right, next up, let's take those 2 drives and pop them into the bay. Into this one. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. Push. Oh, that's the one caddy. Empty. Drive number 1. Pull. All right. So you don't need screws, but you have to figure out how to. Okay, it comes off like that. So you just pull it up. So next up, we just put this one together apparently, like that, and then we put it back in. I'm really wondering if this is gonna hold up. What are the screws for? Does it? That's pretty good. You don't even need no screws in here. Maybe if you put in a 2.5-inch SSD or whatever. Anyway, so that's the first one. Second one. Aha! All right. So there we have it, number 1, number 2. So we just have to pop them in now. We just slide it in like click. take your cover. It just goes like that. Yeah, and that's it. So that's what's in the box. You have your Synology drive, you have some cables, you have a lot of trash, and yeah. So next up is I'm gonna go in the basement real quick, and I'm gonna take out my old NAS, install the new one, and I'll be right back with y'all. Alright, so that was the quick install. You know, you could see I took out the old DNS, whatever it's called, the D-Link NAS. I put in a new one, I rewired the whole thing real quick to the switch, and yeah, I'm gonna see how it goes. And if you wanna see a review of how to actually set it up, or you wanna see how I'm backing up my computer with it, or how to set up the cloud interface or whatnot, just write in the comments, then I will make another video about just the software. But yeah, since this is just a quick unboxing and what's in the box, and you know, me changing my old NAS with the new one, so you can see it was pretty easy. You just take out the old NAS, you put in the new NAS, and then after that I have to go to my web browser. I type in some find synology.com or something, and then I will set it up. And after I've done set it up, I will you know, start backing up the system. And I kept the old NAS for now. I'm not gonna just throw it out because there's still a bunch of data on there. In case this one doesn't work out the way it's supposed to, I still have my old backup. And yeah, that's it. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask me. And yeah, I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. And thanks for tuning in one more time, and see you next time.